Here we go. Oh dang. Can y'all hear me? I think my mic might have been on the wrong thing. I hope I wasn't. Hopefully y'all could have heard anything. If y'all couldn't have heard, oh, you say you could. Okay, okay. Bet. Dang, I'm tripping. I always do that. Let's see. Tesla's gonna go. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna probably end up grabbing like a YOLO on Tesla. Kind of just letting it do whatever it's gonna do. Feel like Tesla's gonna go today. Got to affirm notification that just went off too. Affirm is only at 58. I don't know why it just went off. I guess because it touched here, but ain't really doing much. But Tesla, what I see with this, man, so we like $3 away. So that's nothing. Well, $4, but $4 away from this. If we break this, I don't have another level until up here. Right, that's 458. Now, does that mean we're gonna go to 458 today? I really don't want to tell. I don't want to say no, but don't expect this today. But I do expect a really nice move above here if it gets above here. I'm not saying it's gonna get here today, but what I will tell you is expect a nice move if it does happen. Definitely expect a nice move. And if y'all see anything that looks good, like I said, just let me know so we all can check it out, see what's going on with it. Coinbase is up $12 today. Tesla's gonna go into it will. I'm looking at some contracts for today. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. 40, 440 calls around $100. You'll be able to catch it under 100, especially if it consolidated a little bit. Um, let's see. Anything up to 450, I ain't gonna lie, man. I like anything up to 450. 450 call for today for YOLO only is $40. I'm grabbing one of them. I ain't gonna lie. Not right now, but I'm gonna grab something for YOLO on Tesla. You sold off Bitcoin 103,000. AMD is doing good though. All right, AMD, do your thing, man. Oh, I see. I ain't even see our message. Let's see. Does AMD L go down while AMD goes up? Now AMD L is just AMD long, so it's going to go up. It's going to go up at a rate of 2 times faster than AMD, and you just go by percentage. So AMD, if it's up, let's say if AMD is up 3% on the day, AMDL will be up 6% on the day. If AMD is now, it also works in reverse. So if AMD goes down 5% a day, AMDL is going to be down 10%. It works the same exact way as AMD. It's just it's a 2 times leverage ETF. So it's basically double the percentage. But it costs a lot less, which is why people kind of like it. So it's kind of like TSLL. TSLL is the Tesla 2 times leverage. So you see it's the exact same thing. Look at this chart and then look at Tesla. It's the exact same thing. It's just a 2x leverage. So kind of people that's like, maybe the AMD shares itself are too expensive. And they want to trade it. They kind of go towards this. No problem. No problem at all. So it really might be about to give a good entry, possibly. SOXL is up 5% today. Look at Apple around 425. Yep. What contract am I looking at? I ain't gonna lie. I want to be doing like a YOLO. If I get in, it's gonna be like a YOLO. So it's gonna be like 440, 450. The 450 is gonna be under $100. The 440, if I get a 440 YOLO, I probably just get one, but they would be a little bit over $100 by the time we would get into it. Apple, set alert for Apple 229. Set an alert for Apple 229. That way, ain't gotta keep watching it. You kind of know if it gets down there 229, it'd be kind of getting close to the lows of yesterday. So whether you do trading view, you have a Webull, just set an alert for Apple below 229, just in case. Apple below 229. No lie. Let's see. I'm gonna grab one. I'm gonna grab one Tesla contract. Now this is a YOLO, so it could not do anything. Just a warning. This is a YOLO, so it could do absolutely nothing. But I'm looking at this Tesla 440. This Tesla 440 is what I'm looking at right here. Right now it's 93, 92. What I'm looking at right now. You see it moves fast. Like now it's like 80 something dollars. If Tesla gets going, it's gonna go. Nice, like $80. I'm gonna grab it right here. I'm gonna grab it right here, and ain't my stop is gonna be at lower day. Whatever the lower day is, that's just gonna be the stop. So it's like $80. If it does hit lower day, you're probably gonna lose mm, probably over half of it. So probably you probably risking like $50 maybe. You grab one. I grab one. I grab one. That's gonna be my YOLO. Whatever happens with Tesla's gonna happen, but just in case it wanna fly, I ain't gonna miss it. This is something that can, if Tesla gets going, this is something that can like probably 8x, 10x today if Tesla starts flying. It ain't gonna take much. So that's probably the only thing I'm gonna be getting into today. That's really the only thing I like for upside yesterday when it was kind of going through the different stocks and stuff. So one little YOLO play, and that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna shut it down for the rest of the week. I'm gonna just be watching Tesla. They're struggling at that 425 a little bit. Anything else for the day? I don't think so. Everything else is really pretty much down. Besides like AMD, Boeing doing okay. Mhm. You gotta break this. You don't break this, get above 425. You see that quite a few top wicks around this 425. You don't break that, you ain't gonna get that on Tesla. You gotta break 425, and then you need to break this 428, which is gonna be tough. And also you got the what's the day? The 17th? I think Trump inauguration is the 9th. Nah, it might be the 20th. I think it's the 20th. Say Monday on MLK Day. Say zero. Oh yeah. I have a 0 day. Yep, 0 day. So it's a YOLO for me. It's gonna hit. I have no idea, but you know if it does, it's gonna go crazy. So I only got one contract. Coin popped. Oh yeah, coin and MSTR popped with that Bitcoin over 100K today. See exactly what it said. BTC USD. Yeah, almost at 103. TSLL shares. Yeah, if Tesla goes, TSLL is gonna go. But you just gotta be aware, whatever you put in there, you're gonna make or lose at 2 times the rate that you would if you was in Tesla. And Tesla don't like that 425. The big breaks is gonna be gone though. But man, they don't like it right now. Oh yeah, 25. Yeah, good look. That'd be good, especially if Tesla starts going. Shares go up quick. All right, it's above the trend line a little bit. Is it gonna get smacked again? We'll see. We get smacked again. Oh man, we're gonna get a candle close about 425. Let's see. Got 6 seconds. How long would you suggest holding TSLL? Oh, I don't know because for me, this is how I think about it. I would only buy the two times leverage. And this is me personally. I personally will only buy the two times leverage if the stock is super low, right? So I'm in the AMD two times leverage because AMD. Look how far AMD away from its all time highs, right? So AMD is at a key level from like the weekly, and it's almost like half off. The stock is literally like down 50%. Tesla, you taking a lot bigger risk because I mean you're not far from all time highs, if that makes sense. So I don't know. I personally I wouldn't get it, but you know, that's probably how I would play the two times leverage because it's just I don't know. Anything goes wrong, it's gonna go wrong pretty quick. Yeah, the AMDL, I'm fully prepared to hold that as long as I have to. I mean, if it keeps dropping, AMD is gonna keep dropping. I just keep buying. I just keep buying it as long as it keeps dropping. SPY ain't really doing much. SPY gets going. Tesla will get going too. But you definitely don't need SPY and QQQ. Yeah, QQQ is pretty much just retesting this level that it needs to hold for the breakout. So really hope QQQ holds that. If it doesn't, might not be good for Tesla if it breaks down. Could make Tesla try to kind of be a fake out if it doesn't hold it. So we'll see how it plays out. So once again, why am I doing a YOLO on it? Because if we just so happen to somehow get above 428, well, I guess it's closer to 430, but if we somehow get above this, you have nothing but room. Let me take this off so you can see it. You have nothing but room all the way up here. It's 459. Is it gonna get there? I don't know. But am I gonna miss out on it if it does? No, I am not. I'm not gonna miss out on it. So see, it's kind of pushing right now. So you guys definitely should be up on your YOLO if you got into it. You're definitely up on it because I'm up on mine. So if you got into your YOLO, you up on it. You kind of take it wherever you want to take it. I can't talk you off of it. Just know, me personally, I'm looking for this up here. I'm looking for all this up here. Me personally, just letting y'all know. So wherever you get comfortable with taking it, please be my guest to take it because there's no guarantee. No guarantee. So we're pretty much at the launch pad level right now. Do know that we got a little bit. I don't know if that was from pre-market or what. Nah, it wasn't from pre-market. So you got one more place that you kind of need to crack. Little spot right there. Gets above that, it's gonna be showtime. So yeah, ain't really much to do except let it ride. Ain't much to do. We kind of cycle through again, see if we missed anything. Amazon's in a bull flag, so just wait till it breaks. On Google, gotta wait till it breaks. No, a lot of stuff really kind of rejected a little bit off open, but Bitcoin is breaking out. Cool. Coinbase, Neo is doing good today. SPY, videos pushing up. Yeah. So I mean, I think we're in the right thing. I mean, nothing else is really moving a whole lot, but if you're gonna be in something, I guess this is the right thing to be in. We probably really could have took some real contracts, but it is what it is. Whatever. Looking for see if we get this crazy move to the upside. That's all I want to see. So you guys should definitely be up on your contracts because it went down after I got in. So you guys are definitely up. Definitely up on yours. You should be up at least close to 20%, probably. Probably more than that. Like I said, take it when you want to take it. 22%, yup. It's what it looks like on the 5 minute. Looks pretty decent on the five. Oh man, the spy gets going. It's gonna go crazy. Yeah, nothing else is really doing anything. Spies rejecting. Yeah, that's really gonna be it for today. So I guess at this point, just see whatever questions y'all have. What questions do you guys have about anything? You don't have to be about this. It can be about anything. What questions do y'all have? Yeah, so you guys definitely should just got another big pop on your contract just then. Any questions about anything? 30%. Yep. How do you know what stocks to look at for preparation? It depends on what you think the overall market is going to do. If you think the overall market is bullish, I'm looking for stocks that have bullish setups. Like I'm looking for stocks that have bull flags, or near key levels of resistance, right? Because we want to be on the side of the overall market. So if I think that SPY is bullish, I'm going to be looking for something that's also already bullish, if that makes sense. So it just depends on what I think the overall market is going to do. Your contract should be going crazy. Y'all contract should be up. Yep. We bandwagons. We are bandwagons as options traders. We don't care which way the market go. We just want to be right in a direction. We bandwagons. Proud bandwagons. Oh yeah, yeah, they up right now. They're definitely up at the moment. Up 60%. Yeah. Like I said, y'all, whenever you're comfortable, you can take it. Whenever you're comfortable with it, you can take it. You don't feel like you gotta hold it. Because one thing I can tell you too is a red candle is gonna hurt you. A red candle gonna hurt you. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. So y'all should be up minimum, bare minimum 50, 60%. Are you more so looking for your setups on the higher time frames like daily or weekly? Yep, exactly. That's the only place I want to look for my setups is pretty much the daily. Because if it's a daily chart move, so like let's take this for instance. This for instance. You see that Tesla has went from the low right here, 419, and we at 431. That's a crazy move. Why did it make a move like this? A large move like this only comes from a larger time frame. So we're looking at Tesla. What is Tesla really doing? Tesla is really breaking out of a bull flag. So we looking like it just took off, but that's not really what happened. We're breaking out on a larger scale. So y'all should be up a lot. you want to take it, you can take it. Y'all should be up quite a bit. You want to take it, you can take it. You can always exit and get back in if you want to later. I don't know how long it's gonna keep just going straight up like this. That's all I'm trying to say. I don't know, but that's a good trade nonetheless. Wherever you got in at, that's a good trade. If you want to be done with that, be my guess. But like I said, a big red candle will kill you. Big red candle is definitely gonna kill you. So bare minimum 50% trade. Good job, y'all. YOLOs don't always work out like that. See, we had lunch pad right here. That's exactly what it was. A lunch pad. But yeah, that was a great question. That was a great question, dog, because that's pretty much the ideology behind my entire strategy. No matter whether you want to day trade or swing trade, I'm looking for the biggest moves only. I only want to play the biggest moves, which is why a lot of times something like Google, you might be like, dang, why aren't you watching Google? Google is only gonna be good if it holds above this because this is the key level. Anything under it, it's not gonna get that big move. And as far as downside, you're not gonna get a big move until you get down here. So in between all of this, I don't want to touch it. I'm only interested above here or below here. In between this, I'll let everybody else lose their money trying to play it up and down. Because I know above this, we finna go up here. I know below this, we finna go down here. I don't know what it's gonna do in between here. It's a triangle pattern, so that means it's just consolidating up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't want to be in that because we playing options. So we betting on it to go up or we betting on it to go down. I need some direction. So that kind of makes sense a little bit. And Bitcoin at 104. Jeez, Bitcoin running. Bitcoin might hit all time highs this weekend. Might hit all time highs. So yeah, ain't gonna lie. Probably with these Tesla profits, I'm probably gonna throw it in AMDL. Ain't gonna lie to you. I just might buy some more AMDL with it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, y'all are banking. Y'all banking. That's a crazy green candle. AMDL shares over food. Nah, for real. That's crazy because last night that's what we were talking about. That's I don't know if anybody was still on besides us. We was basically saying like it's an opportunity cost for everything, because I was talking about like me. I love to buy cologne. I buy a lot of cologne, but I was thinking like, dang, all the time I done spent buying cologne. I would have kept buying something like the for the TSLL for instance, like TSLL. I bought Tesla. Oh my god, yeah, y'all up a lot, man. Y'all are up a lot. Congrats to everybody. But I bought Tesla down here. This was back in, I bought Tesla somewhere around. here, somewhere around here. Now, this is in early February. So if I was TSLL, where is early February? $9. Tesla has only 2x. TSLL has over 3x. But the opportunity cost, what if I, let's say if I would have spent, the past year, if I would have spent $1,000 on different kind of cologne, what if I would have put that into TSLL? That would have been $3,000. And I could have still bought the cologne and still had $2,000 left over. That's basically what we're saying. Like it's an opportunity cost for everything. So yeah, good job, y'all, man. If y'all want to take it, you can take it. I'll probably go ahead and take it. Why not? It's running. I'm cool. No, I'm trying to get out 167. 167. That's literally over 100% trade. It's probably gonna keep it's probably gonna keep going, but man, it is what it is. So everybody should be. If you're not over 100%, you definitely super close. Contracts went down to like 70 something. So you guys definitely, if I'm at 100%, y'all definitely should be 100% plus. Out easy money. And what did we have to do? All we had to do was know our larger time frame. That's it. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really plan on doing nothing else today. I'm just gonna let the Tesla shares ride, whatever it's gonna do. I'm just gonna let Tesla shares ride out. So man, if y'all made a little profit, drop it in the chat for me. Oh, it helps even more. I ain't gonna lie. The biggest help, the profit thing be cool, but the biggest help for me is the testimonials. That's the biggest help. So if you learn whatever you learn, or if you learn something new from the stuff that I tell you, the testimonials is what help the most, number one, out of anything. A lot more than dropping a profit too. And Bitcoin is breaking out hard, man. At 103. Hmm. Dang, do we have a perfect exit? Well, so far. I mean, it's probably gonna keep going again, but man, the country is back down to $100. That's why the 0 days risky, man. Like you'll lose your house with these 0 days. Things gonna keep going though, to be honest. You talking about a $4 drop. So we got in down here and it ran up literally $10. It dropped $4 in and it's almost back to you got in. That's crazy. What would I look to re-enter? Uh hmm. Honestly, if you're gonna look to re-enter, if you're gonna look to do it, I'm not going to, but if you was looking to re-enter, I think probably around here, around the 427. because it's the lunch pad area. Around 427 is what would be decent. It looks like it's around here, which is the that old high right now. But if it gets to 427, that's the place where I'll be like, it might be worth to take a chance if you want to down there. But if it don't hold 427, I'll probably leave it alone. Oh yeah, no problem. The thing about it, I swear, crazy part about trading is the next play is always around the corner. The next play is always right around the corner. Like it ain't no telling what else gonna set up today. Who knows? The market could just start selling hard, and you already know if the market starts selling hard, we're gonna be playing Apple, right? Because Apple has room all the way down to 219. It's not gonna get there today. I tell you that. If it starts selling off, Apple is gonna be the play. So never dwell on anything if you miss it, because I promise you, it's gonna be something else that pops up. It's gonna always be something else. It's Tesla today. It might be Meta tomorrow or Monday. It might close Monday, Tuesday. You never know. You just never know. But yeah, it's a good job, man. It's a good job, everybody. Like I said, I don't really plan on doing anything else. So, and I wasn't even looking at the group chat. That definitely was that flag for Tesla. I think the one that you drew, Adrian, it was this one, right? I think yeah, it got to be the same one. Yeah, because you seen it at 9:51. Yeah, it was definitely it right here. Yep, that's all it was a bull flag. That's all it was. Crazy part about a bull flag, a lot of times, if you don't know how far it can go, what you can do is take the length of the breakout or the length of the impulse move, and you can determine, okay, well, how far can it really possibly break out? So we take the length of the impulse move, we got more than what it said it would do. So pretty decent. So it's coming back down to the launch pad level. Contracts now are, let's see, it's probably way below. Nah, it's about an entry level, pretty much. But the crazy part is it's at entry level, but it's $4 above what we got in. $3, $4 above. So so let's see. Let's see who knows. So what could this possibly be setting up right here? Tesla broke out. Let's come back now. What could this possibly be setting up? What is this setting up? This was our launch pad level. It's coming back down. What could this be setting up? And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you something that has a super similar. This is why my strategy works on any time frame. Watch this. So that was a 1 minute chart. Let me show you. Let me set it up for you. You see here, you got this was obviously a resistance. Boom, boom, boom. So it took 2 years, almost 3 years to break out of this. So it broke out here the first time. Boom, took off. Now came back down, same spot, taking off again. And you look at Tesla now. This is a daily time frame. Nothing changes on this stuff except for when you're looking at it. What setup is this? We know this is a level. What setup is this called? Break and retest. That's all it is. Break and retest. Yep. That's all it is. Break and retest. So who knows? This could be the retest down here. Retesting just to give you that move higher. But if it doesn't hold, of course you just kind of leave it alone. But the type of stuff that you look for is those candles. Like, oh, that's a pretty decent candle. That was a pretty decent retest candle. It didn't get all the way to the exact point. You know, levels aren't always exact, but that's a decent retest candle. So as far as a stop loss would simply be close below the level. That's a stop loss. But yeah, that's about it. Anybody got any questions about anything? I got to take a picture of that because we pretty much caught the whole move. That's crazy. That's crazy. What questions y'all got? Played your exit room? What happened? Oh yeah, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, man. The 0 days, 0 days. You gotta take it while it's running. I ain't gonna lie. But the pullbacks. That's why I was saying like a one red candle can like just destroy. Like and it's crazy. What's crazy is you still up $4 or $5 from where you got in, and it's break even. Like that's insane. It's insane. But what's gonna be even crazier? What's gonna be even crazier is that one green candle back up, and it's gonna be higher than what it was. It's gonna be higher than what it was. So yeah, it's crazy. 0 days are wild, man. Then if it consolidates here, if it consolidates for like an hour before it breaks out again, that same contract probably gonna be like $50, maybe. Probably less than that. So you got two nice candles on the 5 minute right here. So far, still 2 minutes left. So, but you got two nice candles on the 5 minute right here at the retest level. Oh yeah, yeah. 0 days. If you play 0 days, this is the key. The key to playing 0 days is number one, you got a size for zero. So that means only put in what you would be like, all right, whatever. If I lose that 100% of it, whatever, cool. Chalk it up to the game. That's number one because they move too quick. And then number two is sell into strength because a pullback is gonna kill it every time. Pullback is gonna kill it. Those are two rules for 0 days. What other questions y'all got? QQQ looks like. QQQ is still holding. It's still holding this level here from where you need to break out from. So the market can still, I mean, the crazy part is Tesla has already took off, but the market hasn't done anything. So if the market starts going, Tesla's gonna be gone again. Market hasn't done nothing. Tesla is gone. Market starts going crazy, in turn, that should make Tesla just go absolutely insane. Probably get towards that 440, 445 area. But yeah, that's it, man. Anybody else got any questions? Besides that, I'm finna just be chilling out for the rest of the day. Something to possibly set up on Tesla. Right. If not, man, that's all I got for y'all. We're gonna be watching Tesla, kind of just seeing what it does. If you look to re-enter again, just remember those two rules. About trading a 0 days, selling to strength, and size for zero. Besides that, man, that's really it. So, if y'all got a question or anything, just shoot me a message. I'm off today, so I ain't gonna be doing nothing but sitting around, probably play the game or something. I ain't gonna lie. So if y'all got a question about anything, just hit me up. Hit me up. I'll be here all day. So let me know what y'all need, man. I appreciate y'all hopping on this morning. Hopefully you number one, hopefully you learned something. If you didn't take the trade. If not, hopefully you made some money. But this is gonna be put up on YouTube, so I'm gonna record it for y'all and drop it in there. So I put this in the chat. But I appreciate y'all hopping on. I'll see y'all later, man.